Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD tutorials how to make dot lines. I will create new drawing and as example we can draw simple line. You can use line command. I will create line in here with length 100. Now if you want to create dot line with this line object, you can tap line type command, line type, press enter. It will be show for line type manager dialog box. Click load button. And then you can use select for ISO the space, this for dot lines, click OK and OK again. Now to apply into this line object, I will use properties type. You can tap properties, press enter, and then select this line object. We can set for line type in here into this line type. So to be automatically set the dot lines. You also can change scale like in here, like I will set into 0,5. To be more small, or you can set again like a 0,3 like this. Okay, that's it. So to make dot lines in AutoCAD, and if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.